Pawis na pawis ang tatlong referee. Ang daming reklamo sa inyo ngayon. Salando, he pays inside to Palles. Drive, he loses the ball. Rebound ball, outlet pass to Banyaga. Here we go, Banyaga. Banyaga, lumipad, no rebound. For the second night, Banyaga, reverse. Ayaw pa rin, Borban. Tingin-tingin sa oras. Fourth in final quarter. Okay, here we go. Like ngayon, to Gawat. Binigay to Marinda for 3. Bang! From long distance, from downtown, Marinda for 3. Eto, kaya Biag, black this time. For Marinda, binigay kay give it to Granado. To Garcia. Inside to Kaya Biag, wala. Rebound for Graida. And Asbo, Graida, he drive. 2 points for Graida. Nilabas kay Kaya Biag ngayon Asbo. 10 seconds to shoot. Garcia, inside. Binigay ka number 2, 5 seconds to shoot. Granado.